I'm Chris Leahy, a product development engineer at Perlick, and today I'll be walking you through the Nitro Kit and how to install it inside your Perlick refrigerator. The first step in the process is always to locate the appropriate tools for the job. This can be done by looking at the table inside the installation manual for what tools are required. After you locate your tools, you're going to want to drill 6 5/32 inch holes into the side of your refrigerator. Always make sure to reference the mounting template before drilling the holes to prevent any issues or drilling into any sort of electrical lines inside of your refrigeration unit. Once you have drilled those holes, then you need to determine the number of gas lines that you are going to mount to your air distributor. For example, a nitrogen-infused beverage requires 2 gas lines. One gas line to push the fluid up and out of the tank, and another gas line to mix with the beverage that was pushed out of the tank inside the nitrogen infuser. So, once you've determined how many lines you've needed, then you can move forward and mount the air distributor. To continue on, you want to mount the air distributor using the self-tapping screws inside the parts bag that was provided. And then once you have mounted that air distributor, then you're going to want to take the inlet gas tubing that it comes out of the air distributor, and that tubing is perpendicular to the other 6, and it's also the only one by itself. You're going to want to mount that red gas tubing to the regulator, and that regulator will ultimately get screwed onto the gas tank, and you're going to want to use Teflon tape on that regulator when you're mounting it to the gas tank. That prevents any sort of leaks and is very important for ensuring the safety of your system. So once you mounted that regulator to the gas tank, then you're going to want to mount a beverage line to the input of the nitrogen infuser. It's important to make sure that you get that tubing at least over 3 of the hose barbs so you can properly apply a worm drive clamp. Otherwise, there's a chance of leakage, and nobody wants that for their system. Now you want to mount a gas line from the air distributor to a quick disconnect. And if you're taking it from the air distributor, you want to make sure you're mounting to a gray quick disconnect, which is used for gas. Always make sure you apply a worm drive clamp to that line. Repeat this process for the beverage line that was previously installed, and make sure you cut off the threaded connector first, and then you want to slide that beverage line onto the black quick disconnect and then apply a worm drive clamp as well. Now once you've done this, you can attach your quick disconnects to the tank. By pulling up on the ring on your quick disconnects, you want to apply them to the tank. So your gas line should go on the in portion of the tank that is embossed into it, and then your liquid line should go on the out portion of the tank that is embossed into it. Once you've applied these quick disconnects, now you want to look at mounting your tower. There should be installation instructions provided on how to mount your tower, and that should go through all the details on how to basically place it onto your refrigeration unit. Now that your tower is installed, you are ready to dispense your Nitro beverage. And if you want to learn more, please head to perlick.com, and thank you for watching the video.